what's up everybody, Sami here. Today, we are going to take a quick look at the UGreen 3-in-1 wireless charger. 15 watts, compatible with MagSafe, snap and go, adjustable viewing angle. The devices it supports, just check it out. And also here, we have this kind of output power, input power, this kind of thing. Just push like this. It's like a gift box. Wow. Here, Type-C to Type-C cable. And then we have this charger. Very simple English menu and a quick guide. All right, let's just get to the product. Wow, this feels like solid. Ooh. Wow, so that is the 3-in-1 UGreen wireless charger. It just looks like a piece of art. Just look at what's so beautiful and elegant. To be honest, my first impression is like you just put it here, put it on your desk. Even if you don't use it for charging, you can use it for, decoration, like a piece of decor on your desktop. Okay, let's check out the design first. And obviously here is the MagSafe charger, and then we have this for Apple Watch. So you just click in. Also, there is a button here you can press to pop up that charging pad for the watch. I can literally play this for the whole day, but of course my boss won't allow me to do that. The Type-C charging port, and here we have the indicator, and also we have a round of this aluminum decoration here. Why just make this feel so premium, man. And here we have 4 anti-sleep foot pads. Alright, so I just cannot wait to test it out, man. Okay, once we connect, we have this indicator. It's flashing. Wow, it's charging now. Wow, this is just so good. The best thing is you can adjust it, to different angles like this. Okay, you cannot to that side. Yeah, just to this side. Why would you want to that side, right? And also we can, ooh, did you see that? Did you see that? I can switch it to this horizontal mode. If I watch movie when I'm having my lunch or something, just do that, right? Wow. And because it has this built-in MagSafe. Oh, okay. Unless you're a madman, you are shaking like that. And also it charges this AirPods. Okay, just put it here. It's charging, you can see. Okay, you cannot see, right? See, it's charging now. And the indicator, the green steady on. All right, now let's test the charging for the Apple Watch. Just pop the thing out, and the best thing is you see, you can put a little bit more feather, okay, and then you just attach your Apple Watch here. Oh, it's charging, 3-in-1. Wow, so you can automatically charge 3 things at the same time. And one good thing is, you can even use it to charge other earbuds, like this Libertone Air Plus. I was wondering if it can charge my Android. Okay, maybe, oh, it's charging as well. So it not only charges your iPhone, but also charges your Android, if your Android supports wireless charging. 2 things I really like about this UGreen 3-in-1 wireless charger. First, of course, it's build quality. Man, that thing is just phenomenal. The build quality looks awesome, feels premium, high-end, elegant, whatever words you want to describe it. It's just so good. And it matches your Apple products perfectly. And matches your successful business person status, right? It's not like you buy 1,000 iPhone and use a 5 cents phone case. That's not matching. When you use this, people will know you are rich people. Just like my subscribers, Subscribe to my channel, you will get rich this year. Subscribe, please. Second is its versatility. You can not only use this for your Apple products, but also for Android. Even this earphones charging, it works for many other brands like Libertone Air Plus and this Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro. It works for them. And I think it works for most of the earphones, if they have that wireless charging thing. But you may want to ask, are there any downsides? Because it seems not that portable like some compact chargers or power banks to let you charge on the go. But hey man, we are talking about two different types of chargers there. One to let you charge freely outside. Of course, you might lose them easily. Nothing that bad. Actually, I really like this Hanover power bank. It's thin and magnetically attached to your MagSafe iPhones. I put a link to that below. The other one is to let you charge comfortably in your home or office. And you know, it gets everything organized. And in my opinion, definitely worth a try if you are interested. Alright, the link to this gorgeous UGreen 3-in-1 wireless charger is in the description. There's also an extra 20% off coupon there. Don't miss it. I'm Sami. We'll see you in the next one.